Imagine a world where AI isn't just a helpful tool, but a key player in business landscapes, anticipating customer needs, optimizing operations, and even transforming entire industries. AI could advance beyond our wildest imaginations and revolutionize businesses sooner than you think. Hi, I'm Arvind Saveen, CEO and Chairman of Copper Digital. Over the years, I've witnessed the incredible ways AI has reshaped businesses, from streamlining workflows to creating new revenue streams. Today, we're going to explore 10 stages of AI, starting with basic rule-based systems and moving up to potential godlike entities. Let's dive in and see how each level impacts the business world and incredible future that AI is paving for us. Stage 1. Rule-based AI. Starting with rule-based AI, this type of AI isn't capable of learning or adapting. It operates solely on a set of predefined rules. Think of a basic automation tool in businessai. For instance, in customer service, if a client asks about business hours, rule-based AI can answer by retrieving a stored response. Companies use rule-based AI for repetitive tasks like generating reports, processing invoices, or triggering reminders, automating tasks without complex learning, which saves time and keeps workflows moving smoothly. Stage 2. Context-based AI. Next up is context-based AI. These systems go beyond simple rule following. They consider user behavior, historical data, and real-time cues. Think of AI-driven CRM tools in sales. If a sales rep frequently emails a client every 2 weeks, the system might remind them to follow up based on that pattern. In e-commerce, a context-aware AI might recommend products based on customers' past shopping habits and current location. This level of AI personalizes the user experience, creating a more tailored interaction for each customer. Stage 3. Narrow domain AI. Then we have narrow domain AI, which specializes in specific tasks and can often perform them better than humans. In healthcare, narrow AI analyzes patient data to assist doctors in diagnosing conditions, while in finance, it predicts stock trends and automating trading decisions. Apps like Xero and QuickBooks use narrow AI to categorize expenses and analyze financial trends for businesses, helping companies make data-driven financial decisions faster. Stage 4. Reasoning AI. Moving to reasoning AI, which can actually analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and make logical conclusions. Imagine an AI in the logistics industry that analyzes supply chain data to identify delays before they occur. Or in marketing, an AI that adapts campaigns based on consumer sentiment in real time. For example, ChatGPT is a reasoning AI that helps businesses generate reports, answer customer queries, and even assist in strategic decision-making by synthesizing vast amounts of data. Stage 5. AGI. Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is often seen as the holy grail of AI. Unlike today's specialized systems, AGI could perform any intellectual task a human can, meaning it could assist in virtually any business function, from managing teams to developing new strategies. Imagine a future where AGI-powered assistant doesn't just respond to your questions, but understands your company's goals, drives strategic growth, and even assists in product development. This would fundamentally reshape how businesses operate, making AGI a groundbreaking force in the industry. Stage 6. Super intelligent AI. Now imagine AGI evolving into super intelligent AI, with the ability to improve itself and learn at an exponential rate. This AI could surpass human intelligence by trillions of times, tackling problems deemed impossible. For a company, a super intelligent AI could revolutionize R&D, create highly effective production models, or even develop new markets before anyone else. With that kind of computational power, businesses could experience innovation cycles previously thought unimaginable, reshaping the entire economy. Stage 7. Self-aware AI. In this stage, AI isn't just intelligent, it is self-aware. Picture a supply chain AI system that can sense its operational impact and adjust based on larger business goals. For example, and AI in manufacturing might assess environmental impact and choose greener processes to align with the company's sustainability goals. This level of AI would fundamentally change how companies approach corporate responsibility and ethical decision-making. Stage 8. Transcendent AI. At the level of transcendent AI, the capabilities are beyond what we typically imagine. Think about a consulting firm AI that integrates knowledge across multiple industries, constantly generating new business models or creating entirely new markets. A transcendent AI could even facilitate global business strategies by managing resources worldwide, transforming entire industries and reshaping the global economy. Stage 9. Cosmic AI. Cosmic AI would push boundaries even further, potentially managing multinational operations in real time across different continents or enabling interstellar business operations. Imagine an energy company's AI managing resources on a global scale, adapting to climate data, and optimizing for sustainability across multiple continents simultaneously. Or global logistics AI that can coordinate transport in real time, continuously optimizing for weather patterns, geopolitical events, and economic shifts. Stage 10. Godlike AI. And finally, we reach godlike AI, an entity that can craft new universes, realities, or experiences and understand and manipulate vast, complex data beyond human comprehension. For businesses, this could mean AI-driven economic planning, where companies align with universal principles and global challenges. A godlike AI could harmonize business practices across the planet, promoting sustainable development, even guiding economies towards balanced growth. This isn't a future of powerful business AI. It's a vision of AI that drives the human race towards unity and shared prosperity. As we explore these stages, it's clear that AI has the potential to reshape every aspect of businesses. From business automation to revolutionary intelligence, each level holds new possibilities for efficiency, growth, and impact. The question now is, how far will AI go, and what role will businesses play in shaping its future? Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insights on future of AI in business.